Hi friends, today I'll tell you the most environmental friendly and garden friendly ways of disposing our kitchen and garden waste to improve the quality of our gardening. So, you see, the first step starts from the kitchen. The eggs trays made of soft cardboard or paper mache should be put in the basket of wet waste of the kitchen to absorb the extra water from the vegetable peels. We can just break these paper mache boxes into small pieces and put in the bucket. Instead of putting the plastic liner, we should use these pieces of paper mache. The plastic liner should be avoided totally, as this also adds to the nuisance of the landfills. So it should be avoided completely. So this is how efficiently we can use the paper mache boxes. This is the broken pieces of our mud pot, friends. We all have this in our gardens. So this is the way how we can reuse it instead of throwing it away. So we can break it into small pieces and spread them to keep our grow bag on it. So this will provide a safe drainage to our floor, and it won't spoil the floor also. So you see, my help is doing this on my supervision. So it is done, and now we'll put the grow bag on this. This can be done for any other container also, but for the grow bag it is the best, because otherwise we have to buy something to keep under these grow bags, and that would be unnecessary spending of money. So this way we can make it cheaper. So next is that we get so many foliages when we harvest, and when the season changes we are removing foliages, getting so much of stems, unnecessarily wastage of from the plants. So we can put everything in the containers like this, and the peels and the wet waste from the kitchen, we can dry it little bit, and then that also can be put in the grow bags or in the containers, like this vegetable bed you are seeing, in which the tomato plants are seen. In these kinds of permanent vegetable beds also, we can put lots of wastage from the garden and from the kitchen into them. Later on it gets compressed and makes very good manure for the plant, and by the time the plant grows big, your compost is ready in the bed or in the vegetable bed or in the containers. So this is a very efficient way, environmental friendly way, garden friendly way. So and your mess is also reduced because of such activity. So see how it is being put in the grow bag. We can fill the grow bag till half of it, and over that we can put the soil mix, what we make for our vegetables or vegetable growings or fruit growing or whatever we want to grow in that. And you see, I keep collecting the dry leaves also in these kind of boxes. So those can also be used. Half of the work nature does, and half of it we can do. We can put the dry leaves also inside the container. So everything mixed makes a good compost material for our containers. You see, some neem leaves were there, dry neem leaves, so I have put those also. some more dry material. Dry material is carbon, you know that, friends. And over that, now we are putting our soil mix. And later we can plant our vegetable seeds or vegetable saplings in this. So friends, these are some of the ways. Then see you in the next video soon.